Question number 17. The adjoining figure represents a solid consisting of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other. Their common radius is 7 cm. The height of the cylinder and the cone are each of 4 cm. Find the volume of solid. Given radius equal to 7 cm. Common radius of hemisphere is equal to 7 cm, radius of cone equal to 7 cm, and radius of cylinder is equal to 7 cm. It's common. And height of cone is 4 cm. Height of cylinder is also 4 cm. Volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h, equal to pi is 22/7 and radius is 7 into height 4. This is cancel. Centimeter cube. 7 4s are 28 into 22, that is 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 6 5, that is 6 11 6. Volume of cylinder is equal to 616 centimeter cube. And volume of cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1/3 into pi is 22/7 into radius is 7 into 7 into height of cone is also 4. This is cancel. And 28 into 22, that is equal to 616, and 616 divided by 3, 616 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 0, 16 5s are 15, 1.0, 3s are 9, 1 3 3, or that is equal to 205.34 approx centimeter cube. It's volume of cone. And volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 2/3 into pi r cube. 2/3 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 is cancel, which implies 7 sevens are 49. 44 into 49 divided by 3. 49 into 44. 9 fours are 36. 3 carry. 4 fours are 16. 19. 6, 9, 1. That is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. 11, 2. That is equal to 2156 upon 3 centimeter cube. 2156 divided by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 5. 3 ones are 3. 2, 6. 3 eights are 24. 2.0. 6 are 18. 2, 0. 6, 6. That is approximate value 718.67. So volume of hemisphere equal to 718.67 centimeter cube. Volume of solid equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. That is 616 plus 205.34 plus 718.67. Seven hundred 18.67, 205.34 and 616. 11, 10, 14, 20, 4, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 7, 15. That is equal to 1540 centimeter cube. Answer. Given radius is equal to 7 centimeter and height of cone is 4 centimeter, height of cylinder is equal to 4 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into height is 4. Then we get 616 centimeter cube. Its volume of cylinder. And volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into 4. 7 7 is cancelled and we get 7 4s are 28 into 22 divided by 3, that is 205.34 or 3334 centimeter cube approximately. Then volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 44 into 49, that is equal to 2156 upon 3. So volume of hemisphere approximate value, that is equal to 718.6766 or 67 approx. So volume of solid equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Then we get 616 plus 205.3334, that is equal to 7 plus 3 10, 9 10, total equal to 1540 approx, that is 1540.01 or 1540 centimeter cube. Answer. Thank you.